Map it using the Diamond 9 Organiser. The Diamond 9 is a graphic organiser that helps learners develop the thinking skill of rank, a key skill in organising and evaluating information. By placing ideas in order of significance, this tool encourages learners to make decisions, reflect on their understanding, and prioritise ideas in a structured way. This organiser is often used when learners are faced with multiple options, ideas, or causes, and need to work out which matter most, and why. It's ideal for prompting deeper reasoning, and is a powerful lead-in to higher-order thinking skills, such as justify or infer. To use the Diamond 9 in your classroom, start with a focused prompt. For example, which of these environmental actions will have the most impact? Or, which character traits are most important in a leader? Provide learners with 9 cards or statements to rank. These might be prepared by the teacher or brainstormed together. Ask learners to arrange them in a diamond shape. 1 item at the top, most important, 2 below that, 3 in the centre, 2 next, and 1 at the bottom, least important. Learners work individually or collaboratively to discuss, move, and adjust their choices until they are satisfied with the order. Once ranked, encourage learners to explain their top and bottom choices, prompting reflection and verbal reasoning. This process supports more than just ranking. It helps learners form viewpoints, communicate decisions, and begin reasoning at a deeper level. When learners are asked to weigh up options, they learn that thinking isn't always about facts. It's often about judgment, interpretation, and perspective.